Mommy.
You looking at you?
Yeah?
Yeah. You gonna cut your hair?
No.
Yes, he is. You gonna look so handsome.
Look, I got my hair cut. Look, I got my hair cut. I need to get me a box of suckers.
Huh?
I need to get me a box of blow pops to keep my hair cut.
Oh, yeah. He's doing good. Yeah. Don't touch.
Hey, who's that? Is that Jameer? That's Jameer right there.
Remember, he gotta cut it off, okay?
I'm gonna work with him. I'm patient.
Okay.
Like, no, mama. Does it feel weird? Look. See this? Look, that's the clipper. You don't like it? Okay, you wanna hold it? It's not gonna hurt you. It's called a clipper. Here, let me show you. You see your hand? That's called a clipper. That's what I got to use to cut your hair down. It's not gonna hurt you. It's my friend. You wanna get down? Okay, I understand, but you can't get down right this second. You gotta cut your hair, man. See, look. See? This is my friend, Mr. Clipper. You wanna say hi to Mr. Clipper? Say hi. See, he waved back. See, he waved back. Now, Mr. Clipper gonna cut your hair down so you look nice for school, okay? Is that Jameer right there? That's Jameer right there. You gonna look handsome when you get done, you know that? Yeah, let me show you. Mr. Clipper not gonna hurt you. Mr. Clipper, my friend. I introduced you to him, didn't I? Mr. Clipper? See, that don't hurt, do it? That don't hurt, do it? That mama, look, there go mama right there.
Sit back, okay? You wanna hold the phone, Jimmer? You wanna watch the phone? They might help.
That's a good one.
You got it, Jimmer. You got it. You want to hold the phone? Distract you a little bit. Here. Keep your hands on the outside. Here.
What number is that? Is that one? Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
It's all right, Jimmer. He got to cut it off. You okay? I don't care about his time. I really don't. Get it off. It's okay. Jimmer, look at the phone. off. Look. It's alright.
They connected.
It's okay.
Hey, Jameer, it's okay, man. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just here to cut your hair, man. You're gonna look nice for school.
I want to get out now.
You want to get down now?
Yeah.
But you can't get down right this second, man. You gotta get your hair cut.
Here. You can get some more, you gotta be still, okay? You gotta be still, you get some more.
Look, you gotta sit there and be pretty.
You don't like it?
Let me fix it. Here. Jameer, you gotta be nice to the man so he can cut your hair.
You gotta sit there and be pretty. Look, show me something on your phone. Show me something on your phone. Ooh, what's that? Huh?
Is that Achilles?
Huh?
What's that?
See? Come on, you gotta be still so you can look cute. Look at that.
You gotta get the hard part out the way.
I'm used to having his hair. He's still connected to his hair.
It's like the seahorse.
You gotta sit back, Jameer.
Sit back, man. You a big boy.
He don't like to touch or nothing. Even if I like shampoo his hair.
It's his first haircut. He feels through his hair. It's like his little antennas. So like when you cut it, it's like it's a part of him.
You want some more? You gotta sit still. Sit still. Would it help if I leave?
I got Teddy here. You want to see my friend Teddy?
Oh no.
Where Teddy is? I need to keep Teddy here.
Where the phone go? Jameer, listen to mom. You gotta sit still so he can cut your hair off. It's gonna be over with, okay? You're gonna be done once he cut it off, okay?
He's gonna have his reaction, and that's okay. He have his reaction. Once he realizes that it's not hurting him, he's gonna be alright. He's gonna go through this process first. You want to be done? Okay, we're gonna be done soon, man. He's very intelligent. How old is he? Talking like that at 3?
You tell him to be nice.
Nice. Am I being nice? I'm being nice? Okay. Let me get a towel. Let me get a towel for his face.
Hold it. You gotta sit down and be still, okay? He's not hurting you, Jameer. He's cutting your hair down, okay? Hold the phone.
So his face is like a man. He's start crying. It's alright, man. It's not gonna hurt you. I understand. It's okay.
Jameer, sit back.
Come on, sit back, big man. We're gonna be done soon, okay?
Oh, happy again.
You okay? You okay? Jimmy, stop moving your head. Sit back. Sit back. Sure. You want me to put Ryan on or you want to watch that? Huh?
Yeah.
This one? The ABC?
Like this, Bob.
Okay. I hold it.
Let me see real quick. Come on, man. What's wrong? You got the phone? I'm not gonna hurt you, man. You just get you a haircut. That's all. You're gonna look handsome for school. Look at me. You're gonna look handsome for school. You know that? You might feel like a pinch right now, but it's not gonna hurt you. Just put you back down in the chair, okay? Let's finish the haircut. Saying that you don't want to, but Mama wants you to get your haircut. We're gonna be done real quick. Okay?
All right.
You got your phone? Hold Mr. Clipper? You don't want to hold Mr. Clipper?
No.
Okay. You want to sit back here?
Stop. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, put it down.
You want to get down?
Yeah.
You got to sit back though, man.
Sit back. You gonna look handsome with your haircut. Like Jeremiah hair. Jeremiah, come get this. Grab him. Grab him and give him one so he can sit down. I'm gonna hold you. You still gotta get your hair cut. You gotta sit still. You gotta sit still so we can cut it off, okay? You okay? He gonna cut it off. Be still. Look. Jameer, hold your head up.
Is that Jameer? That's Jameer. Yay!
Look, you over there in the camera. Crying.
Yay!
It's not a big boy, okay? What letter is that? A? What other letter? They drawing A? They writing A? They writing A? Look. going so fast? Hmm? Why is it going so fast? Put your hands down. Let's see. Come here. Look. You okay? You okay? You gotta cut it. You gotta cut it. It's okay. Just relax. Put your hand back and relax. It's gonna be over soon, okay? It's gonna be over soon. Be still. Which one you gonna look at? What's that one?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Be sorry. Okay? Be sorry.
That better?
Okay, look. Press the room. You gotta let it do it. It's gonna be over, okay? It's gonna be over soon. It's gonna be over soon. So you gotta cut it off. You gotta be still. You gotta cut it off. Look at mommy. Look at me.